She's not happy at the moment.
Hi.
Yeah, she just wants that.
Can you eat some broccoli? Yummy.
Broccoli, 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 broccoli. Woo! Broccoli. Broccoli.
Are you waving to the camera?
Saying hi. Is it filming? Are you waving to the camera? Oh. No, we don't put things on the floor. No. What's the matter? Broccoli. Yeah. You dropped it. Yeah, you dropped it. Uh-oh is right. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Now it's down there.
You said you want me to get it? Yeah, but we're not going to get it for you because you dropped it. Why don't you eat the broccoli that's on your plate? You have good broccoli there. Eat it. Yummy. Mmm.
Yeah, that's yummy, huh? Yeah. More?
Do you want to blow your nose? Peekaboo. Where's Maya? Peekaboo. Where's Maya? Peekaboo. You need some more broccoli? Do you want me to break it into pieces for you? Too big? Here you go. Good eyes on the broccoli though.
I just smelled it.
Yeah, but you got it perfect.
That's it. You like broccoli? Do you want to try this? Oh, so close.
Here, try on this one. This one's a little bigger. Try that one.
You got it! You did it! Hold on. You did it! Good job! You did it! Yay! Want this one right here? Pretty good one. A little harder to get with it.
Would you like some more? Can you show me? How do we say that we want more?
We bang on the table, obviously.
That's not how we say more. Would you like some more broccoli?
Do you want more? You want more? Do you want more, Maya? There's some right there. Get that one right there. There's one. You want to get it? What do you think?
Hot.
Hot? Is it hot? Are you blowing on it? Good job blowing on it. Can you blow? Yeah, good blowing. Are you blowing on it because it's hot? Good job. Now you can eat it. Yeah, we did a good job, didn't we? Good job blowing. Now Daddy used to blow on it. You fed Daddy!
I don't want it. Chew your broccoli. You got plenty in your mouth still.
You want to try your fork? You figured something out. Uh-oh. You almost got it.